defend again. Let's go. As you can see,
What do
I'm
you mean?
slightly lagging too. Hmm. Anyways, let's place these cake blocks. Those are not blocks. I'm building my own
This.
boat. He's just gonna sit here and watch me before he builds me a boat.
Yo, watch me build my boat.
Don't you dare build your boat or I'll murder you, bro.
Yo, that's my boat for real. Here, that's my boat.
Ah,
W vote 2 blocks. Yo, wait, where'd you
okay.
get that from, bro? How?
Okay, sit on my boat. Ready? We're about to launch.
I don't even have that.
Which way are we
It
going?
doesn't not work.
This way?
Yo, what you
Look at this
doing?
little stick boat, bro.
Yo, bro, we just teleport. What just happened?
I'm lagging hardcore. Like
Same.
I'm frozen
Bro,
right
what?
now.
I'm frozen. Wait.
You jumped out. You
Yo,
jumped out. You jumped out. Get back in.
yo. Uh,
Yo!
what is happening? Lag. Okay, I'm in.
Oh
That's
my
W. Okay,
god!
this lag is crazy.
This lag goes crazy, bro.
Yo, what's happening? Okay, let's go. Yo, that's just such a good vote.
Yo, my little stick boat's working out.
Why is it actually working?
Little stick boat! No! No! Oh god. I broke a piece of wood off my stick boat.
2 pieces. Now I'm
I'm
okay.
fine!
No. Oh, how low am I? I don't know. Yo. Yeah, I'm him.
No!
I'm him.
Yo! My stick. Oh! Oh! Ow!
Yes, sir. I survived longer than you somehow. Yo, how am I
Bro, the
still
boat
alive?
still goes crazy, bro.
For
Oh
real.
my god, this man.
I'm still alive. I'm sitting on one chair. I'm still alive.
Just jump off, bro. Come back.
Okay. O- Okay, let's go.
Uncommon chest. Let's see what I get. I got more building mats. Okay, do you want to build a
W.
boat with me now?
Yeah, I'm gonna build the best boat ever. Watch this.
Like, serious, bro.
Yo, this are these blocks invisible?
And I'll build my own boat then.
Yo, this is actually invisible. Hold up. Hold up. My stuff is invisible. Where is this at? Let me find the. That's some like building. Oh, it's over here.
Just gonna
Yo,
surround this strong part with
whatever.
block.
Yeah, I need to delete my boat, bro. My stuff is broken. Well, not broken, but like it's like weird. Whatever. Put it out of this.
Using this to block off this one part. We're using cakes to block off this one part, bro. Cakes go crazy. Okay.
Yo, what? Bro, I can't. Bro, I can't find anything. There it is. Oops.
Okay, get on my boat, bro. We're about to
Now
launch.
I'll build my boat. Wait, hold up. Almost done. I'm almost
Okay.
done.
Let's see who goes on longer, bro.
Oh shoot, I messed up. Bro, this stupid butter block. I swear to God. Okay, let's go. I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
What did Blood just make? A broken boat. Mine's still
Yeah,
better than his. No, you have
yeah,
to
yeah.
go in the water to be better.
I made a helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Yo, my blocks is gonna break, bro. This is how I grind gold.
That's actually crazy.
Yo, where are you? Oh shoot, my blocks are gonna break.
From what?
From me falling on the floor and ragdolling. Are you ahead of me?
My boat's better than you, bro.
Yo, there's like baseball, bro. I'm not doing that. Yeah, go look on the baseball. What is this? I never seen this level in my life.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
Yo, there's music notes now. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, I'm dead. Oh shoot, I'm dead.
I'm so dead.
I'm lagging so hard that I die.
I need to escape this level.
Yo, how am I alive? How am I alive? I'm literally like on the floor with no hair. I'm missing
How am I alive?
I'm missing 2 feet. I'm inside a block. I'm literally a butter block. I'm literally half my body. I'm missing
It's so funny, bro.
I missed
missing my hair.
Okay, I'm missing everything. Okay, now I die. Yo, I made it to the guitar part.
I'm at the guitar part 2 on my broken boat. I'm still going.
How?
My boat's a W boat.
Yacht.
I'm not able to get past the guitar bar. I'm not even joking. I'm actually gonna pass it.
Yo, why am I lagging so hard? I just crashed. Okay.
No way you crashed. I may crash too then. No, I didn't crash.
I crashed because
I
my internet is trash.
I was so close. How much? I get 48 gold for that? Let's go.
Yo, I got more.
Menu, let's buy a $45 gold chest. Let's see what I get.
$45 gold chest is crazy.
Ooh, I got some good stuff. So these are gonna be my foundations.
W foundation.
With this steel block. Steel block is gonna be where I sit. Actually, I should probably make that.
Oh, my bad, my bad. Do you crash? No way, bro, crashed. What's this? I forgot what this does. Sold? What do you mean sold? I don't have anything.
Hello?
Hello? I thought you crashed.
No, I didn't. I was just not talking.
Yo, you're just staying still. I thought you crashed. I probably need to delete that. I got you, bro. I got you. I got you. I got you.
Don't give me that, bro.
I know. That's gonna destroy everything. I don't need those right now. How I know what I need. Yes, sir. I need that. I'm gonna need that.
Look at my scuffed boat, bro.
bro. Oh, do I need anything else? Can I use anything else? I don't think I need anything.
I'll be nice to whoever seat sits in these seats, and they get to be right next to me. Okay, we moved that block though. That's right where I was gonna place my motor.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, come on. You should get my boat. My boat's gonna be
Okay.
way stronger this time.
I'd win.
I legit got to the same area you did in this type of boat, bro. Don't even talk. You should get in mine.
Nah, I won't. Nah, I'd win, bro. Yo, I'm glitched. Wait, I'm actually glitched. Wait,
I want to jump off and get on my boat.
I can't even move. Wait, I can move. I can walk around. Okay, fine. I'll go in your boat. Where is it? I can't even. I'm floating. Okay. Yo, what am I floating on? Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
My boat. Let's
That was
go.
the best thing I ever seen in my life.
You gotta scope that boat. Oh, I'm cracked.
Yo, why are you actually dodging everything? Like, that's actually kind of cracked. Yo, what?
I'm cracked. This bro. I'm going crazy. He's
Oh,
cracked.
I get that one.
He's going
Okay,
crazy.
Yo, I gotta go shower.
Ain't no way. So what are you gonna do?
AFK.
You go fast, but I'm about to hop off soon. Not hop off, but like, yeah, stop the video soon. Not soon, but like, you know. Oh my god. Oh, crystal cave. This is so. What is this? What is this logo? Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Eden. Eden. We're so dead. We're so dead. We are so dead. Guys, if we survive this, this boat's cracked. We're so dead. We are so dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. No! 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 Ah! God! Stupid! Boo! Ah! Hmm. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. Transporting this block. Yeah. Okay, this guys, this is very stuffed. Either way, I think I might end the video here. If you want to see more of this, let me know and down in the comments, and we will do more of this. Yeah, see you guys in another video.